Good afternoon. My name is Denise Meyer, and today I'm going to be walking you through a new tool that's available for Max users, and it's called CADLink for Max. The problem Max users often face between engineering and manufacturing is that if they're not integrated, you end up with a manual data entry of parts and bills of material. The CAD files don't tie to your manufacturing and ERP database. And by having to re-enter this data manually, it also takes time, it costs money, and mistakes are made. And that results in inconsistencies between engineering and manufacturing. Also, if engineering has no visibility into the ERP system, they might duplicate part numbers from item to item, and you end up with islands of automation that can be timely and expensive. So I'm happy to introduce a new tool to you today called CADLink for Max. And CADLink for Max is a tool that allows you to integrate the information between your CAD system and your Max ERP package. CADLink for Max offers real-time, bidirectional integration between your CAD system and Max, and it works with all of the popular CAD packages, like SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Altium, and any of the popular CAD packages. It allows you to create an automated and single-step push so that parts and bills of material can be updated into your Max ERP package from the drawings or databases that the engineering team is using. With this process, it also allows you to see the BOM changes and to review revisions between the CAD system and your Max system to make sure you have data integrity and consistency. All information can be exported to Excel or PDF files, and there's visual notifications for errors or missing fields in the data before the transaction occurs. All of this allows you to eliminate that manual data entry, which can cut costs and improve data consistency. It allows for a smoother flow of information and more accurate and timely data. CADLink for Max provides a direct CAD integration, so there's no more exporting of data, having to review that, and manually importing that information into Max. This can save a tremendous amount of time, and it also gives you more integrity within your database. The CADLink for Max integration is bidirectional, which means that you can take data from your Max ERP system and push it into your CAD package as well, so that engineers are working with validated and real-time part number information and other bills of material from ERP. It gives you access to that ERP information so that you have not only part numbers, but other fields such as a part type code field, description information, which also drives more consistent data throughout the systems. CAD to Max allows you to resolve discrepancies so that you can easily see with highlighted information where you have discrepancies between your CAD package and your Max ERP system. A simple right-click allows you to select or enter the correct data so that it can be updated and consistent between your two packages. And CADLink for Max has a powerful search engine, which allows your engineers to search your ERP item master so that you can insert raw materials into your bills of material. The powerful visual interface includes color-coded changes so that the engineering team can visually see where items are not included in Max or where there are changes and discrepancies using the color coding that you see here on the screen. And then there's a summary report that's available, and that's easily generated so that you can see the changes that occurred between the CAD package and your Max system, and that can be exported to meet any documentation requirements. So with that introduction to CADLink for Max, let's take a look. First of all, I'm going to bring up the Max system, and we're going to come into the Bill of Materials module and into our Part Master screen. We'll be reviewing Part Master information and Bill of Materials information as we go through the system today. Now I have my CADLink screen available here, and this is a bill of materials coming directly from my CAD package. On the CADLink screen, you see certain items that are highlighted in yellow, and with those items, we have discrepancies between my CAD and my MAX package. If I right-click, we'll see that my CAD system shows that this item has a revision B, but MAX ERP shows that it's a revision A. Now here in my CADLink interface, I can update this so that if I want MAX to agree with CAD, I'm going to update and make this a revision B. That way, when I save this item, it's going to update MAX to the correct revision. Likewise, here we have a discrepancy highlighted in yellow, and if I right-click, I can see that my CAD system shows that we have 4 of these washers. However, MAX is only indicating 3. I'm going to update this so that I make MAX and CAD agree. Now, the green item here is an item that indicates that this is not yet a part that's included in MAX. Green means that the part master does not exist in MAX. And I'm just going to validate that by copying this item, drilling into my bill of materials module, and if I look at my part master and input this item here, my add field is activated. So yes, this is not an item that exists in MAX at the present time. We're not going to add it from here. We're going to have CADLink add that item for us. And as we go through and update and make that save and make that change, it's going to create that part master with the fields that are indicated here in CADLink, and it's also going to structure that to my bill of materials. So here, as I click my Save function inside CADLink, it's going to update and create those parts, update the revision level, update the bill of materials, and make sure that that will now match between MAX and CAD. So here my green has gone away, my revision B has gone away, and if I go into my MAX system and I look at this item, here's my part number. It's now been updated to revision B. And if I look at the visual bill of materials of that item, here we have the bill of materials with my assembly level. Within my assembly, you have each of the components that are below that. So all of the information has now been updated between CAD and MAX. So the beauty of the CADLink interface is that an engineer can do all of their searches and their information from inside the CADLink toolset so that you can update bill of material changes and even operation and routing changes so that your CAD system is consistent with MAX. And all of this data can be exported to Excel or to PDF files with a simple click of a button. So what does this mean for users? This means that using the real-time bidirectional link between CAD and MAX, you can automate the process of integrating your CAD and engineering information with your ERP planning and scheduling data. You don't have to have manual imports anymore. You can have that be a real-time and bidirectional push. For more information on the CADLink to MAX product, you can contact your exact account manager. We'll help you review your personal systems and create a tailored presentation for you. The number on the screen, 855-392-2862, will get you to your exact account representative, and we'd be happy to schedule a personal presentation to review CADLink for MAX.